Low country traffic, 6 Comanche, 5568 Papa, 10 to the west, inbound right, downwind 17. Low country.
Low country traffic down 522 Cherokee low, we've got the helicopter in sight. And we're coming back in on that left hand one, runway 17.
Stay down low.
Yeah, I got you down low, stay.
Claxton traffic, 2 Mike X-rays, turning left crosswind, runway 10, Claxton.
Claxton traffic, Cherokee 11 Juliet's 10 to the north, 2000, inbound for 10, Claxton.
Is a mile off of close to 7. I'll be staying direct to the low country aviation ramp. Won't cross any runways or taxiways. Low country traffic. Claxton traffic, 2 Mike X-rays, left downwind, runway 10, Claxton.
Low country traffic, left side, left down, left 317, low country.
Low country traffic, Comanche 5568 Papa, 5 to the west, down right, downwind 17, low country.
Right now, a beacon would be nice.
So hot.
Traffic, 2 Mike X-ray is left base, runway 10.
Trying to find that fool.
He's turning left base.
I know, I want to follow him.
Yeah, oh yeah. That one over there for it.
Yeah.
Low country traffic, Comanche 5568 Papa, 3 to the west, all right, downwind 17, low country. Claxton traffic, 2 Mike X-rays, final runway 10, Claxton.
It'll be right in there. Pointing right at it. Claxton traffic, Cherokee 1 Juliet's 5 to the north, be a 45 in the left downwind for 10, Claxton.
Claxton traffic, Cessna 2 Mike X-rays, on the go, be departure to the east. Claxton traffic. And traffic 2, 4 Papa Charlie, taxi down runway 7, Medallion.
Right.
Yep.
You got it?
Got it.
You see him coming out?
No, but I see hangers.
Okay.
Hey, he's going straight up. I got you.
Country traffic, Skyhawk 2 Sierra Kilo, left crosswind 17, low country. You got him right, okay.
Yep, I got him. This might be out in the middle of nowhere.
Yep. Low country traffic, Skyhawk 2 Sierra Kilo, left downwind 17, low country.
Claxton traffic, Cherokee 1 Juliet Center, left downwind for 10, it'll be a full stop, Claxton.
Okay, Charlie, 284 Papa Charlie crossing 3214, my dear.
He really likes those huge.
I know it's just too close to Juliet, take back hangers from 1-4 by those parking.
Low country traffic, Skyhawk 2 Sierra Kilo, left base 1.
Claxton traffic, Cherokee 1 Juliet's left base for 10, full stop, Claxton. Claxton traffic, Cherokee 1 Juliet's on final for 10, full stop, Claxton. It was very windy, that landing. Close that for 1 sec. Claxton traffic, Cherokee 11 Juliet, clear runway 10, Claxton.
All right, Mike.